Hello everyone, this is Vijay. Today we are making a COVID contact tracer form using the Google account and the QR code. So to making the form, contact tracer form, we have to focus on three things. Basically, we need to have a Google account, and we are using the small form using the same Google account. And once the form is ready, we are generating the QR code as per our form locations. So this is the overview how our form looks like. So we will be generating this kind of one QR code, and we'll generating this kind of form. So the input will be full name, phone number, email address, and address. Once the submit button is pressed by the users or the customer, all the information will be saved in our Google account, and that can also be saved in the Excel form. So let's start. So first we'll start with the Google account. Google account is a Gmail account. Most of the people already aware of this one, of this Google account. And if you don't have the Google account, it's really easy and it's free to make with the Google. So you just need to put some of your details and you'll get the email address. It's free. Okay, let's start now. Just go to the Google Chrome as whatever browsing you are using. So I already got the email address. So I'll just type here form.google.doc. Just press enter. Once you turn this, you'll see that's the ad. You don't have to go with the ads. So just go here, google.com.au forms. So just click over here and you'll get the two kind of forms in the Google form. One is personal, one is business. So basically for the basic kind of things, it's easy to use the personal one. So and it's free as well, and for the businesses it will charge some of the amount as per your requirement, what kind of forms you want to generate. Let's go with the personal. Hey, you can see different kind of templates as per the requirement. For us, we are making our own, so we're starting from the blank form. Uh, so just click on the blank form. So once you click that, it will appear this kind of forms. So I'll tell you one thing. The form is another application of the Google. So it is free for the personal I just mentioned, free and really helpful. So you can find, if you like starting using this kind of forms, you can get lots of other kind of analyticals and kind of things. So that's the basic. Just start with this one. So that's the blank form. So we'll put this name COVID. And like I said before, our is a full name, post questions. That will be short answer will be fine for the name. Just click here for the another questions. So this will be phone number. Fine. And what next we'll need, and email address. Address, phone number, email address, and also we need address. Yeah. So for we just have to make a simple form here. So we're just adding full name, phone number, email address, and anything. That's it at the moment. So you can see here different kind of tab button here. So for the first one, customize theme. So we can change the theme color and make it nice and clean. So I am adding, which one is better, this one. Yeah, that's the better one. So this one, and I also want to put the pictures on the top. So you can upload your own picture and kind of things, but now I'm just adding this picture so it's easy to show you all kind of things. So this is all about how our form looks like. If you want to see the view how the people see our form, so just go to the preview and you can see this this one. So that is our COVID contact tracer form. So it contains full name, phone number, email address and address. So let's go back to this. And one more thing, you don't have to save or anything here, because once you done the task here, the Google automatically save all the tasks in your Google account. So that's really good features that the Google have here. So once you done this one, so you can like just right click over here and you can get the pre-filled link as well. So that's the link you can use to generate the QR code. We'll do that later. So I'll show you one thing. Yeah, so just try this one, how the data will be saved into our Google account. So I'll just like all today phone number, just random phone number. The filling, just press the submit button, and every time when you give your information, it should appear that your response has been recorded, and this is the pop-up sign, so we can ensure that the information you provided is saved. So let's go back to here and look at this one response is already recorded here. So just click here and this is the recorded, we just put it over there. So if you want to get all the information saved in the one Excel sheet, so just go over here and just write one, keep the name record sheet, and just type create. So it will automatically generate this Excel sheet. All the information provided from the customer and from the users, it will save by here. So you don't have to like worry about this kind of thing. So everything will be saved, the time, what time they record this one, what date, and all the information, name, phone number, email address and kind of thing. So you can analyze later, and if there's something wrong happen to your venue and kind of thing, so you can easily trace from this information. So it's better not to use this kind of information for other purpose. So just use for like how you what you say to the people to get this information. Like if you are using this for the COVID, just use for the COVID process purposes. If there's something like infected people you found in your venue, so just use for this one, don't use for the marketing and kind of thing. So it is a little bit non-ethical if you are using the information for the other purposes as well. That's why people don't want to share the information. So that's the things, we generated the forms, we saved our information and kind of things. So that's our link, and I'll show you how you connect your link your form to the QR code. So for the QR code, just go to type QR code generator and just type the QR code generator in the Google, and there's some of the link we have, but most of them are need to pay and kind of things. This one, the QR code generator from the QR code-generator.com, so it is free. So once you click this one, it appears this kind of screen, and just paste the link and just save this one. You can save as whatever format you need. So basically I use for PNG. So write test will be downloaded here. Once it's done, so that's all done. You already generated your QR code, so you can write, you can make this QR code as your, you can put it on the front, on the table, what kind of business you have. And so once the people using their smartphone, and the QR code is already generated in Apple cameras and all. For the Android phone, you have to download one applications, kind of named as a QR code scanner or something. So once you scan this one, so automatically this form will be generated, and you can put the information, just send, and all the information will be saved in your Google account. So that's pretty much easy. So just wait for me. So just like this, and once you've done this, just import the picture that you last saved here, COVID tracer, and put your name or something here. Scan me or right on top, and make a design, make it large, and you can like print as per your requirement, and print and post wherever you want. That's really easy, guys. So that's all about the making the COVID tracer forms using the Google account, and uh, Google account and the QR code scanner. So thanks for watching. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Just try to practice these things. If you need any questions and all, just send me in a message or something. I'll try to I'll respond in the message and comments and everything. So stay tuned, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you so much.